Dear friends, we are here to demonstrate the new mobile phone of Kodak. This is model number IM7. It's a smartphone in 5 inches. This is the box what you are looking at. First of all, we'll open the box. So the total content in a box is a phone, back cover, hand free, USB cable, lithium polymer battery of 2500 mAh, charging adapter. This one is for 1 ampere. Instruction manual, or you can say a user manual. And a warranty card. So in total it is 8 things in a box. First of all, we'll learn how to install a battery, SIM cards and SD card in this. In this, there is a small switch in the bottom. Press this and then remove the back cover easily. Preferably use a pin like this. It will be easy. In this, as we can see, there is one slot, and in this slot you can see it like this. There is one normal size, one is macro, and the other one is TF card slot. That's first one is for the normal SIM, middle one is for the micro size SIM, and the bottom one is for the TF card, expandable up to 32 GB as mentioned. Now we will install first of all the TF card. It should be like this. Go in the bottom. First we'll try to have a look here. There's two very thin slots. We should be a little bit careful while installing the micro card and the TF card, that we should install it in the right slots. First of all, we will install the TF card in this position. It's very small place, so just be careful. It should be in the bottom. Then comes the micro card. It's in the reverse mode, so this cut should be outer side. Put it here Then is this one, that's our normal size on the top side. Now is the time for the battery. It looks fine. Now let's go with the features and performance of a phone. Lock it. First we'll check what's there in the phone. Android version is Marshmallow 6.0. Quite good. Model number is IM7. Now go with the storage. Total is 16 GB. In the meantime, we will install some software and see how much is the game and videos will be going on. So first of all, we'll go with the about phone.
Yes, sir.
It looks like it has a quad core processor 1.3 with the Cortex A7 architecture, and it's have 5-inch screen with 3 GB RAM. Out of that, 2.3 GB is still available. 16 GB is the total internal memory, that is our ROM. Out of that, 15 GB, that is 93% almost, is still free. That's a good thing. Then we'll go with the kernel architecture. It is an ARMV structure. Then we'll go up with the battery. It's with 3.8 millivolts, is around 2500 mAh lithium polymer. And then we'll go with the thermal and this sensor. It's a accelerometer, proximeter and light sensors, all are working fine. So this is, we call it as a 3 GB RAM phone with 5-inch screen. So let's see how the camera quality of this phone is. It will say it is a 8 megapixel camera primary. So let's check. Yes, it has autofocus. Just take a picture of this one. See how this works. Without flash, even inside, the quality of the picture is quite very fine. Let's see the front picture. And this has a dual flash over here. Now in the front camera, we'll just turn it around and see. There's also have a flash in the front camera. a 5 megapixel camera picture. It looks okay. Now let's get back in the system. Does it have a pre-installed apps? We'll have a look. It have Facebook, Google features and WhatsApp. So let's see the network. It's a 4G phone. We have checked it. It will support all types of 4G network in India rather than Reliance Jio. It doesn't support Reliance Jio. It looks like it's only support LTE, don't support VoLTE network. So if you are going to use Jio, this is not recommendable. For other networks it's really fine. And then it's the make of the phone is like other, it doesn't surprise, it's also made in China like other phones.
Now let us start the music player and see the quality of the player. Let's see. Okay, I'm sure you are able to see the fine quality that we are getting from this phone. Hope you enjoyed the video too.
Thank you.